I've been in this building for about 22 years. We had a terrible windstorm, close to tornado type wind, and there was a lot of damage on campus. Rainy days are a concern. There could be a leak that we've got water going down the cinder block wall, or even just right in the front. You've got broken tiles anywhere you walk. The carpet has actually not been replaced. Main Street itself, it's very loud. There's no sound absorbers. When you think about the choir room, it's a choir space, and so when you go in, it very much echoes. The Go Center is a college and career center that allows students to come in, work on scholarships, work on anything military, anything post-secondary. It will be jam-packed with students. Like, you can't even move around because it's a small space. Prop A includes renovations to LHS Main Street, the Go Center, Fine Arts, athletic spaces, Media Center, corridor, and classroom finishings and roof repair. Early voting is April 20th through the 28th. Election Day is Saturday, May 2nd.